आंबा या फळाची इंग्रजीमधून माहिती आज आपण या व्हिडिओमधून पाहणार आहोत. आंबा याला इंग्रजीमध्ये मँगो असे म्हणतात. मँगो इज नोन ॲज द किंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स. It is a tropical fruit found mostly in summer. Mangoes are sweet, juicy, and delicious. They are rich in vitamins A and C. India is the largest producer of mangoes in the world. Mangoes come in different varieties such as hapus, kesar, and dasheri. The fruit can be eaten raw or ripe. Raw mango is often used to make pickles and chutneys. Ripe mangoes are used in juices, shakes, and desserts. Many people look forward to mango season every year.